Welcome to a tutorial for DocQ. This video will cover how to create and maintain roles and departments in DocQ. Roles and departments will define the hierarchy of your users in DocQ. You can see it as a mirror of the hierarchy that you have in your company. Departments are the divisions within the company, either actual department divisions or logical ones. Roles are positions that people have within those departments. In DocQ, you should start by defining roles that people have within your organization. You can be very specific or very generic depending on how you're going to organize your DocQ users. For example, manager and staff are typical values of roles. To add a new role in DocQ, you have to access the option roles in the left main menu and then click on Add New Role. You then give the name of the role you want to register and confirm by clicking on Add Role. You can edit the name of a role that has been already registered at any time. To do so, you have to click on the orange pencil button followed by the role that you want to edit. Once you have created the roles to be represented within DocQ, you can assign them to departments. To do so, you have to access the option departments in the left menu and click on Add Department. You can then give a name to the new department and associate as many roles as you want to it. Note that you can reuse an individual role for multiple departments. DocQ understands that the manager from the sales department is not the same as the manager of the legal department. You can edit the information of a department, including the associated roles, at any time by clicking on the orange pencil button next to the department name. Now that you know how to create the hierarchy of departments and roles within DocQ, let's see how we can assign actual users to them. For more information on user maintenance, please click on the link provided here or in the description below. You should also check how the definition of departments and roles is important when it comes to controlling who has access to certain documents by means of workflow. For more information on workflow concept and creation, please click on the link provided here or in the description below. This concludes the tutorial on how to create and maintain roles and departments in DocQ.